Tractatus Elegans, Atomic Void by Daniel Scott Batten. On the spiral of inquiry. What is your disposition when, in gyrum and in affects, you step up to the notions of truth? Is assent a motion or a mood, a whirling reverence or a rhetorical rite, on meter and the multitude? How savoury are the trochaics and iambics when the manifold creature of man is all crowd and concurrency. Can poetic feet still nourish when time is no longer linear and humanity is drowned in simultaneity on the boiling curl? What burns in a person's boiling curl is also the covenant of cognition. Gentes habent scriptum in cordibus suis. The mind is not inventor but hearth, where the script of nations smoulders in remembrance. On rhetorical truth and image bending is eloquence and fine speech the constat sibi? Truth standing self-evident in language, or is it the mere perspective bending of our images into parodies of forgotten form? On arrival and blindness. Have we not learned from the example of the long-living that there dwells cecus amo sui, a blind love of self, that they putassent se pervenisse, believed they had arrived, when the sea beneath is always deeper than the eye assumes, on parasite and the cortex of civility? What parasite must inhabit the cortex of our civility when novelty is merely counterfeit truth? Why are we so pleased by the venerability of veneer when a man of honor dwells in the incision of the sharp O, on musical thresholds and drowning? Is it the antepenultima, in symphonical camp and consonance, that draws us to the water's edge, so close that one step would drown us in rhythmic beauty? On Petronius and satirical clairvoyance. As the noble and the brave Petronius once dared say, in alio peduculum vides, in terrissinum non vides. We see the louse on another, but not the tick upon ourselves. On banquet and devouring, as it is written in fine pseudo-Cicero, omnium mensarum a secula. A tapeworm is on every dining table. Decorum devours what civility decorates. On Adam, atom, and the void between. From what are we made, if not atoms? Yet what atomic energy surpasses Adam, from whence we came? Do you confide in the myth of the cosmos, or the measured form whose origin is from God? All matter is simple, until matter is measured only by itself. For when one sees more space between atoms than mass within them, one may well consider the immateriality of materiality.